Hello students, today we will discuss our next chapter, parts and wholes, class 5 mathematics. Objectives: we will discuss about what is fraction, write fraction of shaded part, write fraction in words, different types of fractions, examples of different types of fractions. First, we will know about fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is part of a whole. Fraction is part of a whole. When a whole object is divided into many parts, then each part of that whole is known as its fraction. You can see a chocobar here. Chocolate bar, the whole piece. It is the whole piece. One chocolate bar. If we have to divide it into two parts, then it will be written as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means it is divided into two parts and each part is 1. So 1 out of 2. So each part will be written as 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Shared between two children, each one gets half of the chocolate. ये एक चॉकलेट थी, इसको दो हिस्सों में बांटा बेटे, क्योंकि दो बच्चों को शेयर करना था। तो हर एक हिस्से को हम 1 by 2 कहेंगे, क्योंकि दो हिस्सों में से एक हिस्सा एक बच्चे को मिला है। तो जितना हिस्सा मिलता है वो वैल्यू पहले ऊपर आती है और टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स जितने किए हैं वो नीचे आता है. सो 1 by 2 इज द फ्रैक्शन एंड 1 by 2 इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड हाफ. In 1 by 2, 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. Numerator tells us that out of two equal parts of the whole, 1 is taken. Denominator tells us that the whole is divided into two equal parts. So बेटा इसमें न्यूमरेटर से हमें पता चलता है कि जितने भी टोटल पार्ट्स किए थे उनमें से कितना पार्ट हमें मिला है. ठीक है. और डिनोमिनेटर मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स, कितने पार्ट्स हमने उस होल के किए हैं. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स ऑफ द होल. सो in 1 by 2, two equal parts are done and each child gets one part. So 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Now there is another bar which is divided into 4 equal parts. When we divide the bar into 4 children, between 4 children, there are 4 parts. Each part will be equal to 1 by 4. हर एक बच्चे को एक पार्ट मिलेगा तो न्यूमरेटर विल बी 1 और टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स कितने किए हैं 4. द डिनोमिनेटर विल बी 4. सो ईच पार्ट विल बी इक्वल टू 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Each child gets quarter or 1 by 4 of the chocolate. क्वार्टर मीन्स 1 by 4. जिस तरह से हम 1 by 2 को हाफ बोलते हैं, इन द सेम वे 1 by 4 इज नोन एज क्वार्टर. देयर इज अ डायमंड शेप विच इज डिवाइडेड इंटू 4 equal parts with different colors. The whole is divided into 4 equal parts. For one part out of 4, we can say 1/4 or we write 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is written in words as 1/4. Okay, 1/4. Numerator is written in same way in words 1 and denominator is written in ordinal form. Ordinal form. first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These are ordinal numbers. So numerator is written in simple number, and denominator is written in ordinal form. So 1/4 means 1/4. This is the way how we write fraction in words. Next, there is a circle which is divided into 4 equal parts, and each part is equal to 1/4. The second circle is divided into how many parts? There are 3 parts. So its value, each value of each part will be 1/3. And this orange circle is divided into 8 equal parts. So value of each part will be 1/8. There is a triangle which is divided into how many parts? It is divided into 3 equal parts. One part is red and 2 parts are colored yellow. So red part is 1/3. For one part out of 3, we say 1/3 or 1/3. 1. Numerator is written simply in words form. So 1/3, 1, only 1, and 3, ordinal value of 3 is third. So 1/3. Now this each part in this shape is 1/4. The whole is divided into 4 equal parts. For one part out of 4, we can say 1/4, or we write 1/4. Fraction as a part of collection. Till now we discussed the fraction of 1. We have divided only one object into different parts, and we knew the value of each part. There is a rectangle, there is a box, and we have got many spinners in it. How many spinners are there? There are 7 spinners, and 3 out of these spinners are encircled. So the value will be 3/7. If I ask about the value of encircled spinners, then it will be 3/7. 3/7 means 3 out of 7. Okay, numerator is 3 because encircled value is 3, and denominator is 7 because total number of parts are 7. Next is there are, how many snakes are there? There are 10 snakes. Some boxes are blue and some are white. So how many boxes are blue? There are 3 blue boxes in which 6 snakes are there, and there are 2 white boxes in which 4 snakes are there. 3 out of 5. The value of blue boxes will be 3 out of 5. That means 3/5. There are stars. There are 13 stars. 8 out of them are covered with a pink box. What is the value of stars that are in the pink box? That will be there are 8 stars, so 8 will be the numerator, and in denominator we write the total number. The total number is 13. So its value will be 8/13. There are fishes. Some fishes are encircled. How many fishes are encircled? 3 pair of fishes are encircled out of 4. There are 4 pair of fishes and 3 pairs are encircled. So the value of encircled fishes is 3/4. 3 out of 4. There are 30 stars. We have to find out. We can say 30 stars. We have to find out 3/5 of 30. 3/5 of 30 means you have to encircle 3 stars out of 5. Out of each 5 you have to encircle 3 stars, and then you can get the value. The value will be 18. 3/5 of 30 will be 18, and 2/6 of 30 will be 10. Okay. Now we will discuss. So students, this was about fractions, and now we will discuss about different types of fractions. So the first type of fractions are like fractions and unlike fractions. We will discuss like fractions first. There is a bar which is divided into two colors. 3 parts of the bar are green and 2 parts are orange. So the value of orange parts is 2/5. We are writing the value of orange part. Orange parts are 2, so numerator will be 2, and there are total number of parts are 5, so denominator will be 5. The same bar is now colored orange in one part, so the value of orange part will be 1/5. The fractions with same denominator are called. Now अब ये जो दो fractions हैं बेटे 2/5 and 1/5, what is common in them? They have same denominator, that is 5. So the fractions which have same denominator are called like fractions. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, all these are like fractions. Denominator is the same in all fractions given above, that is 5. So next is unlike fractions. There is a circle which is divided into 2 parts, that is 1/2. There is a circle which is divided into 4 parts, and the marked part is 1/4, and this circle is divided into 8 parts, and marked fraction is 3/8. Fractions with different denominators. You can see each fraction has different denominator. In first fraction denominator is 2, in second fraction denominator is 4, and in third fraction denominator is 8. And all these are called unlike fractions. So the fractions with different denominator are known as unlike fractions. In the given triangle, there are 3 parts of the triangle. One part is red and 2 parts are yellow. So fraction of one red part is 1/3, and fraction of yellow part is 2/3. 1/3, 2/3 are proper fractions. The fractions with numerator less than the denominator are known as proper fraction. So third type of fractions are proper fractions. The fractions in which numerator is less than denominator. वो fractions जिनका numerator denominator से छोटा होता है, they are known as proper fraction. Like examples are 2/5, 3/4, 5/7, and 7/9. In all these fractions, numerator is less than the denominator. Next type of fraction is improper fraction. There are 3 circles. One is yellow, one is pink, and one circle is divided into halves. Half is yellow and half is pink. So the value of yellow part is 1.5. And value of pink is half and 1. 1.5 is also written as 3/2, and 3/2 is a improper fraction. A fraction with numerator greater than or equal to denominator is called an improper fraction. So वो fractions जिनमें numerator denominator से बड़ा होता है, they are known as improper fractions. fractions. Now mixed fractions. From its name we can understand it is a mixture of whole number and fraction. The fraction in which there is whole number and fraction, they are known as mixed fraction. 1.5 circle is blue and 1.5 is orange. So when an improper fraction is written as a combination of whole number and a proper fraction, it is known as mixed fraction. जब किसी फ्रैक्शन को हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को एक कॉम्बिनेशन की फॉर्म में लिखते हैं, उसमें होल नंबर भी आता है और फ्रैक्शन भी आता है, देन इट इज नोन एज मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. And next type of fractions are unit fractions. Unit fractions, there is a bar which is divided into 16 parts. So each part is equal to 1 by 16. In the second bar, value of pink part is 1 by 8. In third part, there are 4 pieces and 1 piece is pink. Then it is 1 by 4. And in the next is 1 by 2. All these are unit fractions because their numerator is 1. A proper fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction, like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 10, 1 by 22. All these fractions are unit fractions because their numerator is 1. Unit means 1. So students, this was our session about types of fractions. In this, I think you have understood the concept of what is fraction, how the fraction is written, and what are different types of fractions and their examples. So, thank you.